Hello and welcome to the solution for OSINT plus cryptography challenge number 1. Let's see what the task is. The building in the picture above stands adjacent to a popular hospital. Your task is to figure out the name of that hospital, the coordinates of this building. Okay, so that is good. We know that the building is right next to a hospital. That will help us when we have narrowed down the location. Now, let's look at the picture. There's nothing much to go on, just a wall and some flowers. The only interesting thing I can see is this sign which says this building is under CCTV surveillance. There are two other sentences in other languages, and I'm guessing it's the translation of the same English phrase. Close that. Let's use some OSINT to figure out the languages. I will search image with Google. I'm going to text, select all text, and I will translate this. So the language at the bottom is Hindi detected, but Google cannot figure out the language on the top. Okay, so we don't know what this language is. Now, if you know a little bit about Asia, you would know that there is only one country where you would find two languages, and one of them is Hindi, and that country is India. So you can do a little bit of digging and figure out what this language is, but I can speak a little bit of Tamil, so I know that this is Tamil. Another general knowledge bit. Let's open the map of India. Let's open this up. There is only one state where you will find both Hindi and Tamil, and it's literally called Tamil Nadu. So we know that this building is somewhere in Tamil Nadu. Okay, we found one clue. Now on to the cryptography bit. I don't say anything cryptographic in the whole page, so it might be the image. Let's download that image on the desktop. And you see the name is a little weird. This could be a clue, could be not. Let's find out. Open this image up. And I will see file info. Now, this is the file's EXIF data. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. It says the name, their size info, source, file path, etc. You can actually find a lot more EXIF data from the EXIF tool in Linux, but this will do for now. I don't see anything in here, so the name might be a clue. If you know a little bit about ciphers and coding, you can see this name resembles the base64 encoding. Base64 is a binary to text encoding scheme which takes a plain text as input and outputs a scrambled version of the same text. Base64 is not exactly an encryption because it does not require a key and anyone can decode this. So let's decode it. Copy. I will go to CyberChef from base64. Delete that and paste. So it has decoded it, but even the plain text doesn't make sense. So there might be another level of encryption here. Let's copy this plain text and run it in a cipher identifier. So cipher identifier shows that it could be Beaufort cipher or a Vigenère cipher. These both are the top contenders, and in the below there's the same thing again. So I will go for these two. Now I'll go to decode Beaufort. Decode is an online decoder. What we'll do is paste the ciphertext. I've already pasted it, but I will do it again. Paste the ciphertext here. Then I will open up decode Vigenère and paste the ciphertext. Okay. One thing about Beaufort and Vigenère is these are encryptions and they require a key, as it says here. So we need a key to decode this. Now we found the base 64 encoding in the image, so it's possible that the key for this is also in the image. I'll go back here. So the key can be in the image. Now there's only one possible location, and that is this sign, and it has only one sentence in English, which could be our key. So I will first use the words and then I will try the full sentence. Let's try building CCTV surveillance. I will try all three. So let's go to Beaufort cipher, and in the cipher key I will type building. Doesn't make sense. I will try the Vigenère cipher. Doesn't make sense. Let's try CCTV. Nothing. And CCTV here. Okay, so this is making a little bit of sense. It says JKCN complex, and I think this is it, but we don't know what this means, so let's Google this. And we get a hospital. This is called Shankar Netralaya JKCN complex, and what we know from the OSINT that this building is adjacent to a hospital, so this could be it. And look here, it is in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. So we know that the building is adjacent to a hospital and the hospital is in Tamil Nadu. So this is looking pretty good. Let's see the street view and the location and see if we can find the building in the image. I'll first go to street view. Okay, so this is the hospital. And adjacent to the hospital there is this building. See if we can get in here. Let's go to street view on 360 and see the inside. Okay, so this is our road, this is the entrance, and this is the adjacent building, and this looks pretty similar to what we have in the image. Look at the wall and this red pipe. We have the red pipe here. The wall is similar, even the flowers are similar. This could be the building. Now we don't have this CCTV sign. I can't see past this location and there's no sign here. But see, this image was uploaded in 2018 So it's possible the sign was added later. So we know the answer to the first question, the name of the hospital. It's Sankar Nethralaya JKCN complex. Now we need the coordinates. Let's go to map view. Okay, here's our map. Zoom in. And I will go to satellite. Okay, so this is a little bit weird because we saw the entrance and the building is next to the hospital, but we don't see an entrance here. There's cars and the buildings. Where's the entrance? Now, if you go down a little bit, you can see there's another pin. Jagat Guru Kanchi Sri Chandrasekhara Saraswati Nethralaya. This has a different name, but it's actually the same thing. It's the same hospital. It is actually the full form of JKCN, Jagat Guru Kanchi Chandrasekhara Saraswati. So this is the same thing. If you want to confirm, we can go into Street View. Apologies, my internet is a little slow again. The same Street View. I want to see the inside. See photos, Street View. Here we have a more clear view, and it's definitely the same building. It was clicked in 2019. The CCTV sign is still not here, or it might be somewhere here, it's hidden in the shadows, but it's definitely the same building. We have flowers, we have the red pipe. Go back here. We have this mesh like thing, I don't know what it's called. And yep, it has the same AC ducts. It's the same building. The building is, so this is the entrance of the hospital, and this is the building we want. See its coordinates. So these are the coordinates. We found the answer to our second question, and this challenge is solved. Question number 1, the name of the hospital, Sankar Nethralaya. Question number 2, the coordinates of this building. It's right here, 13.06414, 80.25016. And we're done. I hope this was interesting. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next challenge.